In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace 2026 easy. If you've saved a few marketplace searches on Facebook and want to clean them up, remove old alerts, or just keep things more organized, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're using the account where the saved marketplace searches are stored, because saved searches are tied to your personal profile. After you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketplace. This will take you into Facebook Marketplace, where you can browse listings, manage your activity, and access features related to buying and selling. When Marketplace opens, find your profile icon and click on it. This is where Facebook keeps several marketplace-related settings and activity options. From there, select Saved Searches. This section shows the searches you've chosen to save, usually so you can quickly check for new listings later or receive updates based on those search terms. Once you're in Saved Searches, take a moment to locate the specific search you want to delete. If you've saved multiple searches, it helps to read through them carefully so you remove the correct one. This is especially useful if some searches are similar, such as the same item in different price ranges or locations. Next to the saved search you want to remove, click the three dots. This opens a small menu with actions available for that search. In that menu, choose delete or remove depending on the wording Facebook shows on your screen. After that, confirm the action if prompted. Once you confirm, that saved search will be removed from your list. If Facebook was sending you notifications or updates related to that saved search, those should stop as well. If you want to clean up more than one search, you can simply repeat the same process for each one. And that's it. That's how to delete saved searches on Facebook Marketplace in 2026. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Facebook sometimes changes the layout a little, but the general process usually stays the same. Go to Marketplace, open your profile area, access saved searches, and remove the one you no longer want.